Alright, so today we're going to learn how to cite a book in MLA format. First, we'll talk about what MLA format is and why it's important. So MLA stands for Modern Language Association. It's used in English classes, foreign language and literature classes, literacy criticism, comparative literature, cultural studies. It makes it easy to find the exact source that you use in your writing. It makes you, the writer, credible, so we can see that your writing is accurate and find the direct source. And it prevents plagiarism, and a lot of schools, colleges, if not all, will fail you in classes if you plagiarize. So the first part, we're going to learn how to do in-text citations. So the quote we'll take will be from The Prisoner of Azkaban. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. First, you'll notice that you have the two apostrophes right here. And then because we're citing dialogue, we're going to add an extra apostrophe showing that someone is speaking. And then you'll put a comma after the first apostrophe and then the closing apostrophes. Next, you're going to want to put a parentheses and then the author's last name. And then you'll put the page number and the closing parentheses. And then you'll finish it up by putting a period at the end after you cite your author and the page number. And you can see in this example, this is from an old essay of mine, I have my quote right here that I'm citing, and then I have the page number. The author's name is not in here because I cited his name before I wrote the quote. Next, we're going to look at making a Works Cited page. So when you finish writing your paper, you're going to want a completely separate page at the end. At the top, right in the middle, you're going to want to put Works Cited, as you can see right here. It's going to be double spaced. And then you're going to want to alphabetize each entry by the author's last name. So here we have Bach, Carter, Nietzsche, all in alphabetical order. And this is the format you'll want to use. And notice the use of the commas and periods. So you'll do last name, comma, first name, period, title of book, period, city of publication, comma, publisher, comma, publication date, period. Those are very important for a correct citation. So here is another example. Here is our Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban example right here. And that is how you do some basic citations of books in MLA format. Here is my Works Cited right here. Thank you very much.